Let's talk dog pee. Coming up, info you need to know. Do we really need all of these chemicals and this equipment to safely and effectively remove pet urine contamination in your home, on your wall-to-wall carpet? Probably not. And are these even the right pieces of equipment and chemicals to use? We're going to show you what's up coming up in the video. Stay tuned. So, do you really need all these chemicals? Most likely not. We're being told a lot of times when we watch the videos online that all these chemicals are necessary. Other folks are saying maybe there's one magic bullet one magic chemical, one magic detergent that can fix all the problems with pet urine odor and contamination and staining. It's simply not true. The most popular one we've heard is this product. Product has its place, but it is not a magic bullet. We're going to show you coming up how the urine gets down into the back of the carpet and into the subfloor, and what to do to get rid of those stains. Stay tuned. All right, most of us know exactly how urine gets on carpet. Man's best friend has an accident. You can tell that this carpet has been protected right from the factory with some protection, Scotch Guard or Teflon or an independent name. So what happens most of the time on bad urine contamination, your pet has gone to the bathroom once, but it may be several times in the same area. And what happens, this water that I'm pouring on to mimic the urine is not simply disappearing under the carpet. It's going under the carpet. You can see the wetness, you can see the dampness here. After several times of going under the carpet, it goes all the way through 3 layers, which are in most homes. The carpet, the underlayment or pad, and then the subfloor, which is this plywood. You can see how wet that's getting. You can see the moisture here. Now, in order to be effective at getting rid of the odor from pet or cat urine, you have to chase this moisture with the detergents that are made, mostly the enzyme detergents that are made to counteract that odor, destroy it, and make the whole area clean and sanitary. So, coming up, we're going to show you just how to do that. Obviously, from the staining and the smell, we can tell little puppy had an accident. We have to use an enzyme. The enzyme we use, both on synthetic and natural fibers, is this product right here. We can, if you want a link to that, we can put it down below in the comment section. Just comment if you want a link to that product. It's professional. It works. If you follow the directions, it'll work every time, but you have to follow the directions. So, and all these other products, they have their place, but in this particular situation, this is what we suggest our customers go to. So you would mix it according to directions. In an area this big, you can see how it's spreading, especially over time, spreading all over here. Every place that you see that's wet with the urine has to be reliquefied with this product. If you're lucky enough that the spot's in the corner, you can pull this up so you can see it, and you can pour the enzyme directly on the subfloor, the back of the pad, the top of the pad, the back of the carpet, the top of the carpet. But if it's in the middle of the room, you have to assume, for example, that if the spot you're seeing is this round, say 4 inches around, that you should wet an area maybe 8 inches around, 8 inches in diameter. And it has to dwell for a certain amount of time. Usually we suggest at least 10 to 20 minutes. You mix it according to the severity of the urine. Let it sit, and then we're going to show you how to rinse that off coming up. You've located the urine contamination. You've treated it with the enzyme that we suggested that you use. You've maybe used a brush to work the enzyme in a little bit. Not too hard, not too scouring. Then you're going to have a wet vac, a wet, dry shop vac, which is what the end of this is. We have it on in the other room. There are many tools you can use. You can use a tool like this that comes with the machine. You can use an open mouth tool like that. Because we have these tools, we prefer to use this. What you would do is first, you would go over it like this. You can see once you put the enzyme on and it sinks in, you go over slowly, you can see it coming right, the liquid coming right up through there. Most household shop vacs are powerful enough to pull most of the liquid out as long as you use the proper tool. What you would do to help extract, you would have some, when it's been set, some white water and vinegar solution. Equal parts of white water, white vinegar and warm water in a spray bottle, and spray as you extract. If you extract everything and you're getting no more liquid through the tube, but you still smell urine, put down some more of the enzyme. Make sure it saturates and goes deep. Give it another 15 to 20 minutes. Work it in with the brush like this. This is a simple horsehair brush. And then slowly extract and pull that out. You can see the water coming right out. Make sure your wet vac is water capable. Most shop vacs are. If you're lucky enough, obviously, to be in an area where you can pull back the carpet from the wall, then you can put this in a spray bottle and spray it here, all over here. Let it sit and then extract those areas individually. But most of us aren't that lucky. It's in the center of a room. You have to get every spot treated. It can take time, but it's very thorough. When all is said and done at the end, if you want to treat some of it to get some residual mild odors out, you can put a spray bottle, a spray top, any spray top like that, on this 3% hydrogen peroxide. Spray the whole area, pat it in like that after you spray it, and let it dry natural. Do not speed dry the peroxide. Peroxide helps with staining and odor. If you want to go kick it up a notch, this is from Sally's Beauty Supply. It's called 20 volume clear peroxide. It does a wonderful job on most synthetics. You have to be careful if you use it on a natural fiber. You put this in put a spray top bottle on this, spray the top. It does very good at getting rid of the urine staining. Again, use your nose, find out where the contamination is, get the enzyme product. According to the directions, it should be mixed, and it's got to be resaturate all the deposited areas where the urine is. On the top of the carpet all the way to the subfloor. Let it dwell and extract it off. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below. We do get a lot of questions about machines like this. That's a one-step process where you spray and then you just extract it off. This machine is good. We've tested it. Our review, we've done a complete review is below in a link. Feel free to watch that. But this machine is good to take just a pile, this little bit, maybe 3/8 of an inch, maybe ½ inch of pile. It can clean that, but it does not have the power necessary to pull the enzyme that you put down up from under. If you leave the enzyme down without rinsing it, it's not going to help you. It's going to make a sticky mess all over the carpet. It'll probably smell worse and look worse than just the urine on itself. Again, we want your feedback. Let us know what you think of the video. Specific questions, leave them below. We'll get back to you just as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.